I am the co-founder and deputy CEO of MediKids. MediKids is the world's first medical education company for children. It was co-founded by myself and my colleague, Dr. Kim Chilman-Blair, here in the UK in 2009. I had left medicine as a junior doctor working in paediatrics in 2007, and MediKids was born out of a frustration that myself and my colleague found working with young people and never having anything that we could give our patients to help them understand what we'd just told them. Starting MediKids was not an easy road at all, but being an entrepreneur has a very unique and rewarding set of challenges. You can be your own boss, you can set your own schedule. It's certainly not for everyone, but if you're persuasive, able to negotiate, love a challenge, love taking risks, then maybe being an entrepreneur could be for you. I certainly do miss being a doctor. I miss being in the hospital, that camaraderie of the team that you get in the hospital. I miss the clinical, I miss the day-to-day interaction with patients. What I certainly don't miss are the nights or the on-call, and I think that's one of the special things about being an entrepreneur, having your own business, is this incredible flexibility and freedom to be your own boss and set your own schedule. One thing in medicine is helping someone sort of one-to-one and day by day, whereas what I feel with MediKids is that we can create change, and we're helping and changing the lives of a great number of young people all around the world. There's two major things I think you need to be a good entrepreneur. One is passion. You've heard it all before, but without passion, you can't have a business. You can't have your customers following you, your employees following you, potential lenders following you, unless you've got that passion and belief in what you do. The other thing is perseverance. You cannot give up. Numerous times with MediKids, we've had people telling us it can't be done. The business model won't work. Kids don't really want to understand about their disease. You know, it's a flawed concept. But we didn't give up. We rode the roller coaster, and we're now seeing huge success. MediKids has now distributed 2 million comic books around the world into 50 different countries. We've got a long way to go, but it's truly exciting what we've achieved so far. There's no typical day with being an entrepreneur. You're a boss, so you're managing a vast number of employees, so it may be dealing with their conflicts or complaints. It's being a salesperson. That's the essence to who you are. You're going out to visit potential customers, current customers, and then it's continually adapting and monitoring what you're doing. So it's going into hospital, it's visiting children, it's visiting doctors, it's dealing with your creative team, who can sometimes be quite difficult, as we know, with artistic types. And we've got a creative team that's spread in 12 different countries around the world, our artists, our Marvel comic book writers. But that's really the exciting thing about being an entrepreneur, is that there is no typical day. And that's what keeps you getting up in the morning and loving what you're doing, because you do not know what to expect. If I could do it all again, I would certainly continue to be doing what I'm doing. I adore MediKids. I'm passionate about it. I love being an entrepreneur. I love the challenge. If you're thinking about it, I can just say 3 words: just do it.